Most digital product creators have amazing offers, but their launches fall flat because their content strategy is all over the place. So today, I am going to show you how to create an entire social media launch plan in minutes using my custom GPT. Now, this is not regular chat GPT. So if your launching feels overwhelming, confusing, or way too time consuming, this will change the way you do launching. Hey there, I'm Brittany, and welcome to the Template Society channel, where I help digital product creators market, monetize, and scale their digital products without burnout and confusion. Now, before we dive in, hit like and subscribe so that you never miss one of my weekly trainings on how to grow your audience, increase your sales, and so much more. And if you want to plan your content like a boss, I have provided you with a free content planning calendar. You can learn more about that in the link below. It pairs really well with what we're going to talk about today. You can basically take your finished content and plug it into this planning calendar so it can help you to stay consistent and be strategic. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I want to talk about why most launches fail. And let's be honest, most launches fail because creators wing it. They post randomly. There's no structure. There's no story arc. There's no emotional buildup, no momentum. There's no conversion strategy. A great launch isn't about posting more. It's about posting strategically. Your content needs to warm your audience, shift beliefs, share value, build desire, and lead them into your offer. And that's exactly why my custom GPT is trained to do that. So let me show you how to build a full campaign from scratch. Now, we're going to define your launch details, but before the GPT can create your launch campaign, you need 4 details that you need to answer. So the offer you're launching, what is that going to be? It could be a digital product that helps new creators create viral content quickly. The launch goal, maybe your goal is to grow, nurture, or convert, or all 3. The launch timeline, is this going to be a 2-day launch, a 7-day launch, a 10-day launch? I'll use 7 days for this example. What platforms are you going to be showing up on? Is it Instagram, YouTube, Facebook? I want you to get really clear on what these 4 things are so that you can properly plug them into your prompt. This is the exact prompt that I am going to use into my GPT. Okay, so this prompt says, create a 7-day social media launch campaign for my offer, a digital product that helps creators create viral content quickly. Include daily post format, viral style hook, key message, emotional angle, conversion strategy, and my audience is going to be digital product creators. I want the tone to be bold, confident, high energy, and the platform is for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and I want to nurture and convert. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste this into GPT and let it go into action and see what it comes up with. As always, it is good. It is one of those things where you look at it and you're like, whoo, I love what it came up with. And again, this does not usually happen with regular GPT. So in seconds, my GPT delivered a full structured launch sequence that includes day-by-day content play, hooks that command attention, messaging that warms your audience, story and value content, belief-shifting content, sales-driven posts, emotional angles for each day, and call to actions to lead into your offer. This is where my GPT outperforms regular AI tools by a mile. So regular ChatGPT gives you random ideas. My GPT gives you strategic launch content engineered for digital product creators. Now you can basically take this and turn this into a finished post. So you can take one of these days. I'm just going to take day 1 and I'm going to turn this into a finished post so that we can easily be able to get this created. So I'm going to make sure that it really gives me what I want. So I'm going to plug this in. It just says write the full script, hook, and caption for day 1. Launch posts, and then format it for Instagram Reels. Keep the tone bold, confident, high energy, no fluff. My product is for digital product creators, and let's see what it creates for me now. Oh, again, it's good, really good. So it is basically providing me with my full script. My script is 5 to 12 seconds. I can make this longer if I need to adjust. Also, it's providing me with real captions. It is just going into more detail so that then when I go to record or create my content, I can create this faster and be able to quickly be able to hook in my audience and bring them to my paid product. So the GPT instantly created a viral hook, a script designed for for watch time, a caption optimized with keywords, a conversion-focused CTA, and now your launch content is done in minutes. This is what you want as a digital product creator. You have other things to spend your time working on, and creating social media content and feeling overwhelmed and stuck should not be one of them. It should be flowing easily to you so that you can serve your audience. Now, if you want the complete system that I use to plan, create, and optimize high converting social media content, I want you to check out my social media content system. You'll get my social media calendar, a full planning framework, 365 plug and play captions, viral hooks, Canva graphics, and my social bestie GPT included. This is where your AI content strategist can create 30 days of content in minutes, and it builds a full launch campaign just like what we did. Now I'll link it below so that you can learn more. Now, if you are serious about growing your digital product business, hit like, subscribe, and let's build the most profitable year together. I upload weekly videos that help you to market smarter and sell more in your digital product business. So make sure that you're subscribed. And before you go, download the free content planning calendar below. It gives you the structure that you need to stay consistent, to be strategic and profitable with your content. And it works beautifully with what we did today. So once you have created your actual content, you can plug this into the content planning calendar. And if you want to see me do some more behind the scenes of social media content creation using my GPT, go ahead and comment more below, and I will make sure to create some more videos that can help and assist you creating your social media. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.